So what was the idea that we've been looking at all units? What have we been exploring? Congruent, congruent triangles, good. Postulates, sides, all kinds of things. Just make sure you're on and giving me your attention, otherwise you're going to have to move. Okay? All right. I need you to, not just yet. Can you give me your attention up front, Dave? Thank you. So what does the idea of congruence mean? Somebody explain to me in your own words what it means to be congruent. What do you think, Bubba?
Equal.
Equal? Okay, expand on that. Somebody expand on that. Bubba says equal. I need you guys to, what does that mean? Oh. What's equal? Expand on it. What does it mean to be equal? Yeah, Eric. Things that are common. Okay, keep going. I like it. Scotland?
Or the same, kind of.
The
like
same. Okay, what does it mean to be the same? Okay. AJ? Equal in measure. So if we have two figures, we're saying they're the same, they're equal in measure, they're congruent. What should I be able to do with those two figures? AJ. Okay, and when we put them on top of each other, Tim, what will we notice? They should look exactly the same, right? Exactly the same. There should be absolutely no difference in their measure, their shape, their size. They're going to be exactly the same. We've been studying that with the most basic figure, like Scotland said earlier, triangles, because it's really, really important to have congruency in this, just in about tons and tons of things. Can someone name something that they think about when they think of congruent that needs to be congruent? IBJ. Wheels of a car. Okay. Desk legs. Think of something, it doesn't always have to be like super practical, just Eric. Okay, so yeah, sort of one side's sort of congruent to the other. So you got into that symmetry as well. So they work together. What are some things that you notice maybe about clothes and stuff? Scotland.
Like sometimes they don't cut it. Oh yeah, I'm actually like they can be up here, and then some can be down here. Like one leg down there, and one leg up here.
And how do you feel about your pants when they're not congruent?
They're annoying.
It's annoying, isn't it? And we have to make sure that when we say something's congruent, we are proving it. And that's what we've been practicing this whole unit with triangles. We've learned how to classify triangles. You guys should be able to classify triangles by angle, by sides. We've learned different theorems, properties of triangles. Then we started to get into what if two triangles are congruent, what postulates and what theorems can prove that. Today we're going to go a step further, and we're going to look at triangles, continue looking at triangles, continue looking at their proofs. But once we prove a triangle is congruent, then what can we say about the different parts of that triangle? So we're going to take it a step further. Before we do that, I want to just kind of see where everybody's at, and I want to make sure that you guys, are on the right track, and that we're getting these ideas across to you. So if you could please take, 5-7 minutes to do this for me. And I'm going to be collecting them. And do your best. Really show me where you're at, because I want to make sure that we're on the right track. I just want to see everybody succeed for the next exam. So if you could please just show me what you can do. Thank you. You may use your notes. In fact, I strongly, strongly encourage you, get your notes out, use your notes, think it through, focus on what you know. If you have a question, please, please, please write it down. I've been looking over all your other formative assessments. I've got to kind of tabulate them all up and sort of record information, but I will be returning them to you. And I'm going to ask Ms. Oliveira to post answer keys so that you guys can use those as you review.